Ashish, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, what are the charts suggesting? It's been volatile, but dips are getting bought. What are the trends that you are seeing right now?
Hi, good afternoon. See, the overall trend for the broader market and Nifty remains positive. We can clearly see there was some kind of a nervousness in the morning when Nifty showed a nearly 200-point fall from the high of 18,600 towards 18,400, but that again got bought into. So the overall trend, I think, for this market remains buy on dips. Do not try to catch a top here. The euphoria is strong. The momentum is picking up. Stock-specific action has continued. And one very important way to look at this is if you look at the weekly chart of Nifty, it has been nearly 25 or 26 weeks now when Nifty has not closed below the prior week low. Now that's a very simple strategy, but a very important one for trend following. For nearly 25 to 26 weeks, Nifty has not closed below the prior week's low. It has tried to break it during the week, but did not close it by the end of the week below the prior week low. And even on the daily time frame, it has been nearly 10 days. So I think important support for the market or Nifty comes to around 18,400, which is today's low. And if it manages to cross back 18,600 on the upside, we might be heading towards that 18,700 or much higher level. So there are no targets on the upside because there is no resistance right now.
All right, no targets on the upside, but there is a stop loss at the lower level. Fair point there. Ashish, what are the individual stocks you're looking at?
The first stock pick is going to be KPIT Tech. We can clearly see today IT has been buzzing around and KPIT Tech has been consolidating. It's just showing some kind of a breakout on the upside. The volumes are picking up. There is a possibility this stock can show a very strong run up from here on. So one can create long positions in KPIT Tech, keeping a stop loss of 340 for the target of 380. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be Shriram Transport Finance. It has been quite some time. The stock has been in a huge consolidation since past 5 to 6 months. I think it can start showing a very strong breakout on the upside and should start catching up with the broader market. So Shriram Transport Finance can be a buy. Maintain a stop loss of 1400 for the target of around 1560.
Okay, all right, Ashish. Thank you so much for joining us with those picks. But let's move on and talk about our segment, Mid Caps on our radar. Most